For Fortnite Week 13, you're being asked to repair IO equipment at 2 different IO bases on the Battle Royale map. Completing the challenge will net you a healthy 30,000 XP, and once you know where to look, it's as simple as any other treasure hunt quest. What purpose does this serve for defeating the alien invasion that's been plaguing the Fortnite universe all season long? No idea, but we're apparently the Imagined Order's IT support, so we'd better fix these fancy secret agent computers up. For this challenge, repair IO equipment is referring to the dual-screen monitors you see attached to a tall stand in the picture above. Like other item hunt quests, you'll notice them as faint blue outlines. All 3 are located on IO bases, so make sure you're prepared for a potential fight if an IO guard spots you. Thankfully, you only need to repair 2 pieces of IO equipment. Weekly quests are a great source of XP and battle stars in Fortnite, and you'll need both if you want to progress through the Season 7 Battle Pass before it expires and Season 8 goes live in September. One of the new epic quests in Week 13 of Season 7 requires you to destroy some Fortnite IO intel. This is fairly easy if you know where to go, and this guide will help you finish this challenge quickly.